Hey guys, in a previous video talked about how important it is to stay hydrated. People ask sometimes what kind of coolers we use, or how we keep the guys hydrated during the day. We do provide waters for our guys and also electrolyte packets, which I mentioned in another video. I do recommend you making sure that your team has drinks provided to them. I wouldn't leave that in their hands to bring drinks. If they want to bring extra drinks like sodas or Gatorades, that's their choice, but we at minimum make sure they have water and electrolyte packets. But we keep it simple as far as the coolers we use. I know you can get these fancy coolers that'll keep your water cold for 6 years, but we only need to keep it cool for 8 to 10 hours. So we buy these little Igloo coolers. I think they're 28 quarts. You can usually get them at Dollar General or Walmart for $20, $25. And this is what we've used for the last several years. We have these in each vehicle. And also we use bottled water and ice packs. It's a big hassle to full with ice, bags of ice. The guys either having to stop and get it or keep it stocked or get an ice machine at the shop. A lot more details than necessary. So we just keep it simple. We keep cases of water at the shop. We use these refreezable ice packs that you can get at Walmart. I think these are about $2 each, maybe $3 each. I've tried the fancy ones that are like $10, $15, like the Igloo ones or the different ones that are more expensive, and they actually suck, to be frank. They don't work very well. They're usually thawed out by 2 or 3 hours into the day. And these cheap ones like this that have the life foam in them, these cheap ones that are $2, $3, last much longer and stay colder. So all we do is every morning, this would be in each of the vehicles. The guys will go out, swap out their ice packs with the ones from the previous day that are still keeping the waters in the cooler cool overnight. That way the guys can start with cool water in the morning, because we leave the ice packs in overnight from the previous day, and stock our cooler at the end of the day. Otherwise, they're going to have to wait for the waters to cool off 2 or 3 hours later. But all the guys do is stock their cooler when they get back to the shop. In the morning, they'll swap these ice packs out, and then they're good to go. You can easily fit, we get 9 in here, and then you can stack more on top. You can easily get a dozen, 15 waters in here, which is more than enough for one person. You could even get 20 or so if you needed to. But that's what we do, nice and simple. Cheap ice packs from Walmart. These things last, at least a year or two. They work very well. Like I said, Igloo coolers, 28 quarts is a good size that we found. You can get bigger or smaller depending on what you need. And we just have a little freezer here at the shop that we bought from Costco, I believe, for like 120 bucks a year or two ago. And we just keep our water stocked and our ice packs and everything in here. We've got popsicles for the guys, because that makes a big difference during the heat of the summer. And then I mentioned we've got our electrolyte packets up here as well that we just get from Walmart, or you can get a number of ones from any source that you like. But we've also got other snacks for the guys: crackers, fruit cups, peanuts, stuff like that, just to kind of make the day more comfortable. Keep the guys where they're fed, where they're not having to spend money and spend time stopping and getting snacks, and they're able to stay hydrated. But hope that helps. If you got any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.